Well, what do we have here? If you've been on TikTok, you clearly know that these are some viral TikTok recipe ingredients. We got the Acini di Pepe. We're gonna make a recipe. We've got ingredients. We have best kitchen helper ever. We also have second best kitchen helper ever, who is here as well. Fourth best kitchen helper ever is here as well.
I'm ready to try it.
I know, you're excited, aren't you? We gotta go check in on third best kitchen helper ever. There she is, in her place, on the beanbag chair. Yeah, you'll get to try this too. Welcome back to Snow Dog's Cooking, where if I can cook it, or I guess I should say for this one, if TikTok can make it, so can you. This is a viral recipe that's been going around on TikTok. Some people call it pastatini, some people call it pasta caviar. I don't know what we're gonna call it, but it'll be in the title of this video. I think we're gonna call it dinner. That's what we're gonna call it. We wanted something simple and easy for dinner, and I saw this on TikTok and absolutely had to try it. So we're gonna add this to one of our viral TikTok recipe trends that we're trying today. For this, you're gonna need a cup of uncooked Acini di Pepe. You're gonna need 3.5 cups of chicken broth. I'm using the reduced sodium because I don't like really salty chicken broth. You can make your own, use whatever you want. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of butter. You're gonna need a 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and then a little bit more for afterwards. You're gonna need a dash of lemon. I don't have fresh lemon, so we're gonna use lemon juice, and then of course, some salt and pepper. That's all you need for this. Super simple, super easy. Now, if you wanna make this into more of a meal, you could add chicken, you could add vegetables, you could do so much with this and turn it into a nice, creamy, full-blown pasta dish. But Jamie and I ate a little bit earlier and we were only a little bit hungry, so this is gonna be perfect for a simple, light, comfort food. You know us Midwesterners, we gotta have our comfort food. First thing we're gonna do, measure out about 3.5 cups of your chicken broth. You could also use bone broth. You could use beef broth. You could use a vegetable broth if you wanted this to be vegetarian. Really, whatever you would like. But I measured out 3.5 cups, and we're gonna put that in a pan and bring it to a boil. Into a pan, bring it to a boil. Now, because I'm not boiling water, I'm not adding anything else to it. Just the chicken stock. I'm not gonna add any salt or anything else like that to it. Just like this, bring it to a boil. All right.
7.
Don't drip it all over the place.
I'm gonna make a mess.
Do you want a bigger bowl?
Maybe.
I can get you a bigger glass bowl.
How much do you want?
Hold, at least a 1/2 cup.
Oh, geez. Yeah, bigger.
Yeah, let me get you a bigger bowl.
Yep.
There we go. Use those muscles. You also, you know what this means? We're gonna have to pay the cheese tax. The cheese tax. The cheese tax. I always want more Parmesan, but I'm embarrassed. Any other AGT fans out there? AGT, anybody? Yeah? No? Oh, well. I'll put a link to that video down below if you guys want to know where that joke comes from. Look at her waiting. She's like, Dad, are we paying the cheese tax? Yes, cheese tax. Oh, Eleanor. You still made a mess.
Here, get it on.
Memphis is like, whoa. But I always want more Parmesan, but I'm embarrassed. And don't worry, we're getting Kira some too. All right. She's like, whoa, Dad. Cheese delivery right to me? Thanks, Dad. Thanks.
That tastes good. That's
Of course
really
it does.
good, huh?
She's like, that's the best cheese ever.
Yeah, it is good.
All right. You can see everything is starting to get that low roll boil. You can see the bubbles coming up to the top. So now we're gonna take our 1 cup of Acini di Pepe and we're gonna pour it in. And then we're gonna cover this. And we're gonna cook this for like 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Okay, so I said to cook this for like 4 to 5 minutes. You're best off to actually cook it for whatever length your box says. Because I just tried this and it's not, the noodles are still crunchy in the middle. So the box that I'm using says 9 minutes. So we're gonna continue to check it every minute and see if it's done. So we went for the 9 minutes like the box says. I'm not pulling this off of the heat. I'm now taking the 2 tablespoons of butter and dropping that right in, and I'm gonna stir that all together, or just let it sit there and melt and do its thing. All right, we got our butter stirred in. Now we're gonna add some lemon juice. How much? I don't know. That much? That much? That much? Say Vin.
There you go.
All right, about that much. Basically, you want like the juice of half a lemon. Or if you want it lemonier, more lemon. All right, and we gotta add cheese. Okay, so now I'm gonna stir, and Jamie's gonna start sprinkling in our half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I already measured it out, so all of that's going in here. All right, stir all this in.
That's awesome.
This smells amazing. It's not quite done yet, but it's beautiful. We're gonna sprinkle some Parmesan on the top, and then we're gonna take some cracked black pepper, put that right on top, and now, this smells amazing. We're gonna go give this a try. Oh, look at that spoonful.
Oh,
Look at your cheese is dangling.
It's so hot.
Kira's like, I'll help you with that dangly cheese.
Right? I gotta wait.
Yep, you can do it.
Are you sure?
You can do it.
Are you sure?
No, you might burn yourself.
It's a big spoonful.
It is a big spoonful.
All right, cheese.
It smells so
You're gonna
good.
get on my chin.
There you go.
Okay.
All right, first reaction. I think you're gonna love it. Right?
Yeah,
Right.
I could see why people. Okay.
Right?
Weird.
Different, but
The
also
taste is amazing.
very comfort food.
Very comfort food. I could see why people would say like a chicken.
Chicken and broccoli.
You could even. I could see like a shrimp in it or something.
Ooh, that'd be good too.
I mean, the little balls are weird.
I
though.
know. If you like risotto and things like that, it's very similar to that. So, or like quinoa, it's like that texture. I love it. But I like orzo noodles too, and these are even smaller than orzo. Win? That's a win.
It's really good.
It's really good. That's a win. That a win, Kira? So I gotta know I'm not allowed to try it. You got cheese. Don't even lie about it. Yeah. Easy, perfect, comfort food. If you love pasta, you should try it.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
That is going to become a new favorite thing of mine. I actually added a little bit more lemon juice when I was eating mine, and it reminded me so much of lemon rice soup. You could also, when it's done boiling, you could take an egg, scramble an egg, and put it in there. So that would also thicken it a little bit, but also give it more of even that lemon rice. If you guys don't know, lemon rice soup is my favoriteest thing in the world. So this made me really happy because it's lemony, it's creamy, it's chickeny, it's so good. Make it. Do the thing. Make the thing. All right, you guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we'll see you again soon. Goodbye, audience.